Hello, what's up guys? In this video, we will going to answer four different examples regarding on limits of a function. Actually, ito yung topic na ito is first part doon sa differential equation na subject or na course. Okay? So, ang first na problem natin, first problem is limit at x is to 2, 8 minus 3x plus 12x squared. Ito yung problem guys. So actually when you're solving limits guys, yung pinakaunang dito is, para sa akin lang, is try natin i-substitute yung value ng x dun sa equation. Kung mag-0 siya, ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwedeng i-direct yung substitution. Pero, if hindi siya mag-0 or may value, yung answer, so pwede siyang i-direct substitution. So, i-try natin guys. Limit at x is 2. 8 minus 3 times 2, okay? Plus 12x squared. Yung x actually is 2 na yan. 2 na yung x dyan guys. Okay? Pag sinolve natin yan, yung lalabas is 50. So, ibig sabihin, pwede siyang direct substitution. Okay? So, yan na yung sagot natin dyan. Okay? Sa number 1. Actually, sa number 2 guys, limit x is equals to negative 3. Okay? 2x plus 22 minus 4 all over x plus 3. Okay. Ito sa problem na ito guys, as we can see, pag nag-substitute tayo ng negative 3 dito sa x sa denominator, magiging 0 yung sagot. Or magiging 0 yung value dito sa denominator. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwedeng i-substitute agad. So, yung gagawin natin dito, kasi ako, first impression ko, may nakita akong square root sign. So, yung gagawin ko dito is, i-rationalize ko yung numerator. Okay? So, yun. Nasa algebra natin yun guys, yung rationalizing. Okay? May procedure tayo dyan kung paano mag-rationalize. Okay, so yung gagawin ko dito is limit at x is equals to negative 3 2x plus 22 minus 4 all over x plus 3. So, yung gagawin ko dito is i-multiply ko yung numerator tsaka denominator doon sa rationalization. Okay? So, kasi yung rationalize ko dito is dito sa numerator. So, ito yung i-multiply ko. Pero, naka-opposite yung sign. Bakit opposite yung sign? Para meron tayong mga cancellation na mangyayari. Actually, may rule yan guys dun sa algebra. Ito yung i-review yun ulit. If nakalimutan nyo, okay? 2x plus 22 plus 4 all over square root of 2x plus 22 plus 4. Actually, yung ginawa natin guys, both numerator at denominator para balance. Okay. So, yung next na gagawin dito is i-simplify natin, di ba? Limit x negative 3. So, ito, pwede ko yung mag-FOIL method, guys. Pero sa akin, based pa rin dun sa rule ng algebra, pwede ko itong i-diretso agad, okay? At sa first na term, itong square root. So, makancel out yung square root. So, yung may iwan dyan is 2x plus 22. Ito yung last term naman, 4 times 4, 16. Unlike sign, so negative 16. all over, ito pwedeng i-copy lang, x plus 3 square root of 2x plus 22 plus 4. Okay? Actually, pwede pa itong simplify guys. 22 minus 16, that is 6, diba? So, 2x minus 6. So, i-factor out ko na agad siya dito guys. 2x. So, may x sa loob. Kung 2x minus 6, ibig sabihin, plus 6 pala. So, 2x plus 3. Huwag kayang malilito guys, kasi yung sa akin is, finactor out ko na agad dito. So, 2x plus 6. So, same ba yun dito yung sagot dyan? Okay. X plus 3. 2x plus 22 plus 4. Okay. So, dito guys, pwede ko na mag-cancel out nitong x plus 3 kasi parehas lang. Okay. Yung purpose talaga nun na finactor out ko dito, yung 2 is para maka-cancel out ako ng isang term sa baba at sa taas. So, ito. So, try natin i-substitute. Limit at x is negative 3. 2 all over square root of 2x plus 22 plus 4. Okay. Calculate natin guys. 2 all over square root of 2 negative 3 plus 22 plus 4. Okay. Yung sagot is square root of 5 over 5. Okay, so meron tayong sagot guys. Square root of 5. Check ko lang guys Square root of 5. Square root of 5 over 5. Ay, hindi pala guys. Double check ko lang. So, plus 4. 1/4 pala yung sagot guys. 1/4. So, yun yung sagot natin sa item 2. Okay.